Welcome back to the vlog. So I was going to work on the rear diff on the BMW this week, but it is a little chilly today and I don't want to get halfway through the project and realize that I don't want to finish it today because then I got to drive all the way back up here. So instead we are going to try to make it nice and loud. We're going to be straight piping this thing. So the whole plan is to hopefully get rid of that and to get rid of this monstrosity. So I have 6 feet of pipe. The only issue, it is 2.75 outer diameter, and the stock exhaust on the BMW is 2.25. So I will probably have to run to AutoZone and grab a couple reducers, and then I will also probably want to grab some gaskets of sorts because I will be taking everything apart. But we got the car jacked up, got jack stands under it. It is nice and sturdy, but let's dig into this. I was just going to try and remove them with my wrenches, but they are way too rusted out. So I've got my cutoff wheel, and my air compressor is building up some pressure right now. So I'm gonna grab some safety glasses, jump under there, and just rip these bolts apart. Hit the support bolt right here. Unclip it from right there. Oh, is there another one? Did your boy overlook? Oh, the other side. The infamous other side. You know. Use our trusty knee. This one's rustier than heck. Back. And what am I missing? Oh, she's still plugged up on here. Tank. Got her out. Definitely not as bad as the 350Z. The 350Z was about 7 times bigger than this thing, but now we got the muffler out of the way. We can get rid of that stupid dual tip and get rid of that stupid noise compressing. So basic thought, measure it, length it, cut it, and then what I'm gonna do is cut this flange off, weld it onto that side, and that'll take care of the back. Well, I thought I had a little bit more pipe than I do, so I won't be able to get that second half, but even this alone will change a lot. But, you know what we gotta do when the exhaust is off the car. It is now time to cut the pipe about right there, so then I can slide that into the other side. And then once I have that all lined up, then I can get my length, and then I can cut the back half, and then I can go get an exhaust tip if I want, but then the muffler will be gone and I'll have a full exhaust. This is what it's gonna look like. I'm just going to go ahead and can't get to it, weld right there down the middle of this bead, and then I will have my full coupler on this side. So I don't weld a lot, but I can weld to make them hold. I just gotta smooth them down a little bit, and then I can slide my flange back over, and then I can cut to length and install it back under the car. Now let's cut it down to length, and then we can go back over it with the cutting wheel and smooth it out, and then we'll be ready to reinstall. Got it welded, got it shortened, smoothed down. I'm working on getting the other rusted bolt off right there because that would not come out. Once I get that out, then we'll be good to reinstall. All right. Let's see what it sounds like. Huh? Doesn't sound too bad, actually. Let's test drive her. Let's see how she feels. See how she sounds. And one of the big reasons I want to do this is because the muffler, the cat, like all that stuff, it clogs so much of the airflow on this car, and it actually reduces a lot of the power. If you get an M3 exhaust on this thing, it does increase it pretty good. I don't want to afford an M3 exhaust, so we went this route. It might clunk a little bit because it is up against the subframe, but we're gonna find out. Do a little pull, see how she feels. Maybe try to drift her a little bit, see if it opened up any power for her. She feels a little better. She does feel a little bit more powerful, but I know it's just mentally to the sound, because it is going to take a little bit for the ECU to actually gather the airflow correction and try to fix it and go through like the process of everything like that. She sounds good. Oh, she sounds real good. Wow, she sounds fantastic, to be honest. I just need to get headers, get rid of the cat. So get like a mid pipe and headers, and she'll be gorgeous. Now I gotta fix this diff. A little bit of drone on it, but it is a it is a fence tube, so. See if we can get something to happen right here. It's not wet out, so I don't know how well she will actually be able to slide. Ooh. So thank you guys for watching this week's video. hopefully you guys enjoyed on how to make the exhaust on, and really any car, sound great if you are very low budget like myself. But next week I have a really cool video for you guys. We're heading down to Import Face-Off at Bandimere Speedway. This is the last year for Bandimere Speedway, so the events are getting a little bit more sad. So check out that video next Friday when that does post. You guys are gonna love it. It's drags and car show. I didn't say for the burnouts or some of the other stuff, but a lot of cool drag racing, a lot of cool cars for the car show. There's one in particular that is really dope that me being a Subaru lover, I love, so you guys will like that too. But I got some exciting stuff coming up within the next probably 4 weeks is about when this video is getting posted. So next month in May 27th, we are going down to Pikes Peak International Raceway for Slush. Huge event. They're doing roll races, they're doing drifting, they're doing time attack, grip racing, a whole event. We're going down there. Michael's racing his car and some of the time attack stuff, so it's gonna be super cool. I really just want to say thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I know not a lot of views are happening because I don't do much exciting stuff, but hey, everything counts. You guys are awesome. Use my code JBlair20 at shinearmor.com to save yourself some money on some detail supplies. They got good stuff. I'll link them down in the bio, so just hit that website, go check them out. Super cool. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for a lot of live action this summer. Subscribe, click the bells, like. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.